Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 12th of June 2020. It's currently 4:39 p.m. here local in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m., which was 39 minutes ago. There was a little bit of action, not too much, but I might as well run through all of my pairs because it's the end of the week, so we might as well have a look at everything. So this is my trading view platform. This is my watch list on the right. All the pairs here. Highlighted in blue is basically what I've got trades on, which is just about every pair. It's highlighted in orange, just going to discuss what something that happened today on that pair. So most of you watched my videos already. This is the setup. It's just a 12-hour chart, candlestick chart. Red trend lines are bearish divergence. Green trend lines are bullish divergence. Any blue type trend lines are significant levels, support, resistance, that sort of stuff. Sells are designated by red vertical and red horizontal line, the intersection. This is sell here. Buys are blue. So S1 stands for sequence 1. So that means I can be in multiple sequences on the one pair. So sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3, sequence 4, and this is the Oz CAD. So a lot happening, a lot of trades happening. That's what I'm trying to do in the 12-hour, try to get as many trades going as possible and just look to continually pick off the profits and profit overall. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet. That spreadsheet's available to everyone. It is located, or a link to it's located in the description of the video. So it's a Google Drive spreadsheet. All right, yellow lines are overall break-even levels. So you might have an overall break-even for a sequence, a break-even level for a sequence, like these two, then you have maybe an overall break-even level. So AusCAD in plenty of trades. I'll run through my indicators too. 3 MAs just to give us an idea of trend direction. So 240 LMA, 100 EMA, 50 EMA. The green and red dots you see on the price chart are called a QMP filter. It's not really an indicator as such, more just a visual aid. It's actually made up of a combination of this MACD Platinum, which is a zero lag MACD, and also another indicator which is not displayed called the QQE Advance. So when that crosses and it's in sync with the MACD Platinum, it creates a dot on the price chart. With the MACD Platinum, basically I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level. This is the zero level, this line along here. Sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. So for example, this green dot here, MACD Platinum long way below the zero level, that's a buy signal. Might be against the trend, high risk trade, but it's a buy signal. All right, AusCAD, look, trying to get down to these break-even levels, going all right, not too much problems there. Swiss in a sell trade, this was multiple trades, like I had a sell, buy, sell, I've already closed. You can see, read my notes. And like I always say in my videos, if you can't understand me, English is not your first language, the accent's a bit too hard, I talk too quick, pause the video, read my notes. If you've got any questions, just email me or ask them in the comments of the YouTube channel. So the MACD, the Swiss sell, red dotted lines are stop. We've already taken some profit. The MACD was above the zero level. Now it's broken through it, hence I took some action. Price is at the 50 EMA, so looking all right there. New Zealand, if it comes up. All right, we're in a sequence 1's a sell, and it's got a stop in place. So we're locking, we can't lose on sequence 1. Then I've started a new sequence. Sequence 2 is a buy. Read my notes as to why. Regular bullish divergence. Overall break-evens this yellow line for both trades. So it's positive plus 0.01. So as long as price remains above that level, which it is at the moment, I can close both trades and be in profit. The MACD Platinum's still below the zero level, so I've got no intention of closing the buy trade as yet. This green line, normally it's something significant, which in this case it's parity, 1.000. You can see how price come down and touch it here. So that's Aussie New Zealand. Now Aussie USD. I took some action on this today. In a sell trade, I just closed it. I've just left the lines on the chart to show you where it was. It gave me a massive total of $5.77 profit. That's been added to the profit to date. So I took the sell in here. It's gone against me initially, came down. MACD platinum's through the zero level now on that bullish candle from today with just a few pips. I can't really do much with it, so I just closed the trade. So that trade's no longer in play. And that green line on this chart is the 60-cent level. I should have drawn the same at the 70-cent level, which I will add to. It's there. 70 cents is actually there, which is another big number on the Aussie. So I'll repeat. I'll draw that, move that line up to, so I'll put that up there to 70 cents roughly. I'll fix that up later. Close enough. That's a 70-cent level. So yeah, just close that trade. So that's no longer, I can unflag that. No trades on the Aussie. CAD Swiss in a sell here. It was a big sequence of trades. Closed most of them, closed previous trades, and closed 0.14 of that forced sell trade. Got a stop in place, can't lose. MACD platinum through the zero level, looking all right. CAD Yen, same deal, big sequence of trades, closed previous ones and closed 0.14 of that forced sell, stop in place, MACD through the zero level, looking good. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, this one's a little bit ugly. I mean, one sequence of trades. The problem is now the MACD platinum's through the zero level and we didn't get down to the break-even level. So what I will do here, you know, tonight this thing could just drop down straight through that yellow line. That'd be great. If it goes up, then we'll probably get a buy signal down here. So I'll hedge this sequence, then I'll start a new sequence 2 buy. So it's not the end of the world. We're just not going the right direction at the moment. Euro Aussie. Now I took some action this morning on this, and I'm probably glad I did. There's a lot happening on this pair. It really got up close to my overall break-even levels now. Not quite, but on sequence 3 was initial buy. I don't think I've updated that yet. Yeah, I have. Yeah, there's a buy. Then I took a second buy on the trend line break. And it went up and the MACD platinum went through the zero level. They're both probably on the same level, but because the second buy was a bigger buy on this sequence 3, I closed that and took $111.11 profit on that and put a stop in place, which is pretty close to where price is now on sequence 3. Just protecting that sequence. The other sequences I need to push up a bit, but it looks like things are rolling over near the end of the week. So that's the Aussie, that's the Euro Aussie. Euro CAD, went up to my overall break even. This thing's been going sideways. These blue lines are just like, you know, stuck in a range. And look at the MACD platinum, it's hugging the zero level. So I was hoping to push through. It did push through, got my overall break even, but just straight away dropped back down and it's heading back down again. Pretty ugly, but we'll just be patient with it. Euro Swiss in a sell trade. It was part of a sequence, sell, buy, sell, closed out previous trades and closed out partial on the second sell, stop in place there. Prices at the MAs now, MACD's through the zero level. Now, what I'm looking for now is on these trades where I've still got 0.02 left on them, I'm looking for a new dot on the MACD platinum on the other side of zero level. In that case, I will then close another 0.01, take some more profit and bring my stop down inside the point of entry. Euro pound, sequence 1, sequence 2, you can read my notes. Sequence 1's hedged at the moment. Sequence 2's started under here. And overall break in 97. Yeah, I was way up here somewhere. It's not going to happen. This is this break even level here is for sequence 2. MACD platinum still below the zero level. It's a bit of a sideways action on the euro pound. which it can be, but generally it's not a bad pair to trade when it moves. It's pretty clean. It's good. Euro yen in a sell here. It was part of a sequence, closed partial part of it. As you say, you can always read my notes. Stop and place up there. It's starting, price come close to the MA, starting to turn back up again today. MACD platinum's through the zero level. Sound like a broken record, but that's the way it's been lately. Euro took a sell here about 24 hours ago on a break of a trend line. Already in a sell. This big area resistance. Bit of regular bearish divergence, thought a bit of confluence there, took the sell, second sell. There's my break even just right in there. It's not even that far away, but it's reversed today, last 12 hours. It's still, a lot could happen still. Pound CAD, this MACD platinum is ugly. Look at all these little dots on that. We're in a sequence of trades. You can read my notes here. It's just only one sequence. Trying to push up, got very close to the overall break even, but today it's rolled away, or in the last 24 hours rolled away. I was thinking about taking the profit, or closing all the trades when it was up at just above the overall break even level, but there was a bit of overnight swap and interest rates, so it wouldn't have been overall profitable, so I decided to wait for one more candle up, but not to be, rolled over. So now probably looking for sells and hedging this sequence one. Pound yens, took some action on this today. 4 o'clock at a sell, second hedge buy, and a second sell. Overall break evens here, prices through the break even, well and truly. MACD platinum through the zero level, and we've got this bullish candle the last 12 hours. So I closed the original sell, so that's gone. Close the original buy, the hedge buy, that's gone. Partial close on the second sell. You can read my notes. Second sell, close 0.04. Previous trades closed also. And put a stop in place just above the entry level. And there was $59.15 profit on those trades. And can't really lose on this overall on that sequence. So that's been added to the total there. That's the pound yen. Pound USD, another one that was in sequence one as a buy, which is down here, and it's got a stop in place. It'll start a second sequence, sell, hedge buy, second sell, broke that trend line, come down, went through all the break-even levels, but bounced the last 12 hours. The MACD platinum still above the zero level, so not taking any action as yet. Hopefully with the Friday, the end of the week, it might just push down again. If not, we'll just have to wait till Monday and see what happens. New Zealand CAD, in a sell and a buy, so we're hedged. Grey line basically means just a warning signal, which means there's a red dot on the MACD platinum above the zero level. We still haven't got the QMP filters yet. You might have just saw it flick up when I changed over to this pair. It's got it. The candle's got to close before it's confirmed. So it's New Zealand CAD, just waiting for a new sell signal to help try and clear this hedge. MACD platinum's remained above the zero level. MACD's heading down. Price is still going across. So there's going to be divergence there. New Zealand Swiss took some action on this morning. At 4 p.m. It was in a sell, hedge buy, second sell, overall break-evens, this yellow line. MACD platinum through the zero level. Not enough wiggle room, just closed all my trades. So I've got no trades on there at all. Gave me a huge profit overall of $15.37, which has been added. This is a pair that was causing me grief from day one. So now I'm actually at the stage, no trades on at all. Now the MACD platinum's below the zero level. I'm looking for buys unless something drastic happens. So that can be untagged. New Zealand USD, not bad this one. I'm in a buy down here, this green level, 60 cent level. In a buy down here, got a stop and place. So it's sequence 1, that's nice. Sequence 2 is this sell. We're just below the entry level. The good thing is the overall break-even's up at 69,200, which is way up here. So as long as price stays below that 69,200, and because we're negative 0.01, we're in profit both trades. So that's pretty good. So looking all right in the New Zealand USD. USD CAD, I was looking to close all of these 3 trades on the 4 p.m. candle, but I was just a couple of dollars shy of the overall break even. We're in a buy, hedge sell, second buy. Nice, and I thought, bang, we're up off to the races last night. And, this thing could still turn up. But the MACD platinum through the 0 level. And when the 4 p.m. candle was hovering around the overall break-even, decided not to close. So we're still in it, down a couple of bucks. USD, Swiss franc, been a tough pair to trade. Doesn't look too bad on the 12-hour charts. Daily charts, it's a dog's breakfast. In a way, we're in a big sequence. Look, it's even not that good here. Look at the MACD platinum hogging the 0 level. It's dropping away a little bit now. So a buy, hedge sell, second buy, second hedge sell, looking for a third buy to try and clear this sequence. The MACD platinum's below the 0 level, buy's the option. USD, Japanese yen, in a sell here, got a stop and place below the entry level. And not much I can do here. It's getting close to, looks like reversing to the upside. This support / resistance level here just holds. Again, that's another pair that's been tough to trade. And USD, Singapore dollar. We're in a couple of sequences. We're in a buy. We've just got a hedge sell, second buy, and we're close to overall break even there. Sequence 2 is a standalone sell trade. So it's a sell with a stop and place there. Sequence 3 is a standalone buy because it's below the 0 level. So we've got 2 break-even levels. One's for sequence 1, One's for sequence 1, so buy, sell, buy, and the other one's for overall break-even, all trades. That's what the 2 break-even levels are. So that's it, guys, for the 12-hour high probability charts for the week. That's Friday, so that's the end of the week for me on those charts. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And like I said, I've got a shared spreadsheet with all these trades, doing all right. Been going since the 3rd of Feb. And I think based on about a 0.02 base lot, we're up about 3, maybe 4,000. I think. I'm not really sure. So it's going all right. I've also got the Facebook group that everyone's more than welcome to join, or the Telegram groups, etc. You're more than welcome to have a look in there and join that. All right, enjoy the weekend, stay safe wherever you are, and I'll chat to you guys on Monday. Thank you.